Hero pare.
Incarnate.
Mainong ang hero pare.
Confirmed. Rhino on.
Ayan, may tank kami pre. Good job. Ano ang hero pare. Nubis. Snubis na hero pare. Wait lang. Nice. Okay, okay. Very good, very good. Sicilian? Sure ba tayo sa Sicilian? Sure ba tayo dyan? Yes, paring Frankie. Frankie, my friend. What's up? Damage ba tayo dito?
Begins.
Pag naka-damage kasi ako, ang hirap ang hirap i-micro ni ano. Pag naka-damage ako pre, ang hirap i-micro ni Ruby. Kanina 'di ba? May damage nga tayo pero ang hirap natin siyang i-micro kasi wala tayong mobility. Wala na tayong mobility tayo pare. Let's go for mobility this game. Mahirap kasi talaga pag wala tayong mobility. Tapos Ruby. Naaabot ako ni Ruby. Mobility na lang pag may Ruby, guys. Yo, what's up? Idol kay Delanor o ni Blah? Delanor. What's up, Delanor? Delanor, what's up? I'm gonna go for mobility, my friend. Focus. Yan, focus. Panalo yan, bro. Hindi naman ako na DC, di ba? Kaya yan, tropa. We can do it. We can do it, my friend. We can do it. Affinity level 4. Okay. Let's go, par. Yo, what's up kay Danny Carian? Angelo Gabain. What's up, Gabain? Let's go. Kaya yan, mamen. Kaya yan. We can do it. Hunter Strike, yes sir. Shoutout kay Troban Danny Carian. Danny, what's up, Danny?
Starry night sky in my nightmares. Every bullet has its blade.
Mobility, my friend, mobility. Kaya ko si Sun, hindi ko kaya yung Sun, pre. Lagi ko naman sinasabi, hindi ko kaya Sun. Madaya kasing illusion niya. Pag late, medyo ano na, medyo late game na. Parang totoo na yung illusion niya, pare ko eh. Nakakagibon sin si Mokong eh.
No one deserves my trust here. Eternal peace comes at the price of sheer fear. Hatred consumes everything like a black hole.
Okay, Kuya Eboy. Ano ba pa-challenge natin, Kuya Eboy? Ilapag mo na yan, Kuya Eboy. Ito si Kuya Eboy nagbibigay ng challenge yan. Pa-challenge natin for today. Pang. Unot, no? May shield kasi siya pare ko eh. Palagpar. Very good. Pwesto pre. What's up kay Danny? Danny boy. What's up, Danny boy? Pwesto pre, pwesto pre. Hindi na ako aabot. Ay, abot pa tayo par. Walang tank yan, walang tank yan. Puntahan nyo na par. Ay, dito na yung tank par. Sinicure yung buff par kayo. Eh, di wow.
My gun is the shelter for the ghosts.
Bagay, top lane niya naman pala yung tank. Kaya na ano niya. Pagbigay siya ng vision.
Evils.
Pero makakagayo rin. Tatulak na ng vision. Kasi makaunat talaga pre ngayon. Yung ano, Ruby.
My gun.
Mid to late game na Ruby ang kunat eh.
Request backup. Launch attack.
In my nightmares.
Lifesteal kaya ako par. Dito.
The moon rises as the war that never really ends.
Ano mo naman yung illusion na yan pare?
Eternal peace comes at the price of sheer fear.
Saging ka na to pre ah. Ano makunat yan?
Blade.
Yung micro ko pre kasi nga meron ako mobility. Naka-mobility emblem ako kaya nakakalayo ko yun.
No one deserves my trust here. Eternal peace comes at the price of sheer fear.
Nice tulak. Buhay ako pre! Baka! Buhay pala. Buhay pala ha. Pero baka pa niya yung ano, doggy. Si doggy balls. Nice! Meron tayong taga-clear ng illusion, which is good.
In my nightmares.
Request backup. Gather up the turtle.
The moon rises and sets as the warfare never really ends.
Ult is ready. Gather up the turtle.
Okay, par.
My gun is the shelter for the ghosts.
Ally has slain the turtle.
Every bullet has its blade. Hatred consumes everything like a black hole.
Launch attack.
I always call the shots.
Ally has been slain.
Ganda naman nun, tropa. Ganda naman ang huli nito. Baduy! Ganda naman ang ano, ulti ni ano, Tigreal. Hirap talaga pag wala kang ano, top boots slash Tigreal paring. Makukombohan ka talaga eh. Yan sa namang Alex Villagods eh. Makukombohan ka talaga pre.
It is under attack.
Wala kang ano, wala kang top boots. Grabe naman yan, Totoy. Kailangan ko talaga ng ano, top boots par. Palagmin. Wala.
Our turret
Okay ka ba?
ult is not ready.
Deserves
Kulang tayo sa respo par.
Request backup. Launch attack. You have slain an enemy. Request backup.
Ulot kasi ng unggoy, Thunderbelt.
see is starting up.
Thunderbelt War Axe.
Backup.
Ano muna ako, bro first.
They are living.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Hatred consumes
Attack. Backup.
black hole.
Our turret is under attack. Your team destroyed. Initiate retreat.
Has its blade.
Ult is not ready.
They are living evil.
Okay.
Slain the turtle.
Moskov.
Has been
Moskov tayo pa.
The moon rises and sets as the warfare never really ends.
You have slain an enemy. Double kill. Triple kill. Maniac.
No one
Siyempre.
My trust here.
FF na lang yung ano, dapat yung i-FF. Hindi ko mahirapan.
Eternal peace comes at the price of your fear.
Request not ready.
Bullet has its blade.
Replicker na patay tayo. Ganda ng combo nila yun.
For the ghost.
Pre,
Attack.
wala pang ano yung ano, yung Aurora. Patay yan, tro.
Like a black
Request backup.
Dito, dito, dito.
I always see a starry night sky in my nightmares.
Ult is not ready. Request
God is
backup.
the shelter for the ghost.
Monster kill.
Okay. Pre, bot lane, pre.
Request backup.
Nice one.
Your turret under attack. Request backup. Team destroyed a turret. Ult is ready. Initiate retreat.
The moon rises. The war that never really ends.
Request backup.
They are living evils.
Initiate retreat.
Boss par.
Double kill.
Boss yan, pare. Basag.
Request backup.
No scope.
Team destroyed a turret.
Ano siya?
The moon rises and sets as the war that never really ends.
Initiate retreat.
Pang! Pang! Kala mo, ah.
Legendary. Ult is not ready. Request backup.
Bullet has its blade. Eternal peace comes at the price.
Legendary.
Push par! Up, baka may ulti. Wasak tayo dyan.
I always in my nightmares.
Destroy the turret. Legendary.
Hindi na una yung rock! Ah, sayang, tropa. Ako pa yung atake ng turret. Totoy.
Ult is not ready.
Ano pa? Nangatawag dito. Nagdadalawang isip pa si tropa. Itang. Enorge Sagaw. Magandang hapon, tropa. Nagdadalawang isip pa si idolo.
No one deserves my trust here. I always see a starry night sky in my nightmares.
Ayan na. Huwag kang ganyan, pre. Masakit yung lineup ng mga yan. Masakit yung mga lineup ng mga yan. Pag nahuli ka dyan, pre, ang hirap tumakas. Kasi nga puro CC yun, tapos may slow pa, di ba? Pag nahuli ka, ang hirap lumayo.
The moon rises and sets as the warfare
Ay,
never really
sinira.
ends.
Ally has been
Every bullet has its blade.
Nag-lord na, tropa. Saan mo bang puntahan? Sheesh!
Are living evils.
Roscoe.
No one deserves my trust here.
Hindi ako nagkakamali to. Tol. Kailangan ko ng konting backup, pre.
Back up.
Kailangan ko ng konting backup, pre. Ba't yung pa umiikot, pre?
My gun is the shelter for the ghosts.
Pre, go na, pre. Habang nagpupush yung popol, pre.
Attack.
Khalid! Yan. Habang nagpupush yung bot lane, par. Hindi ka sa mapa.
Everything like a black
Slain an enemy.
eternal peace.
Destroyed a turret.
Here.
Ult is not ready.
They are living.
Ult is
Kinakat
not
ni
ready.
ano, par. Kinakat ni San yung ano. Minutes.
Back up.
No one deserves my trust here.
Top lane.
Quest back up.
Eternal peace comes at the price of
Quest
fear.
back up.
Yago ka mag-stay dyan. Yung minions, pre. Kinakat ni ano, oh.
Request back up.
Shits! Easy balls. Ang kunat ng sun kasi, par. Pati na hero na ito kahit kailan eh.
Our turret is under attack.
Rap Usman. John RP. What's up, idol? Ang kunat ni ano, ni Sun kahit kailan. Nasobrahan naman sa kunat. Yung illusion niya, pre, napakakunat. Minions, par. Illusion lang yun, ah. Ako si Ely. What's up? Di pa rin mga taas doon, mami. Ang gagawin mo.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Request back up.
Pre, kailangan natin ng Lord, pre. Pwesto na. Wala silang Aurora, oh.
Quest back up. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Every bullet has its blade.
Initiate retreat. Launch
Hindi
attack.
na ito saan kahit kailan eh. Ang hapdi na, pare. Hindi ko siya kayang sabayan, par, kahit anong gawin ko. Kailangan ko ng ano, disable para mapatay ko siya. Sasabihin mo papalagyan ko siya, hindi ko siya kaya.
No one deserves
Dami si Aurora, kasakot
here.
na.
Under attack. Turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Request backup. Request backup.
Bigyan niyo, par. Bigyan niyo, Ruby lang yan, pare.
You have slain an enemy. Request backup. Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup. Ult on the way.
starry night sky in my nightmares.
Initiate retreat.
The moon rises instead.
Request backup.
Dito.
Ends. Every bullet has its blade.
Request backup.
Hatred consumes everything like a black hole.
Request backup.
Patay si Popol.
Initiate retreat.
I always see a starry night sky in my nightmares. Like it.
Initiate retreat. Killing spree.
Basag pre. Ay, nako! Totoy Brown, buti na lang hindi nagbalik agad yung kalaban. Yasa paring Mikey Berondo. Init ng laban talaga pag may sun, nakakagigil na sun yun. Well played pre, well played. Daya talaga ng sun na natin, no? Kaya tukmol eh, masakit talaga yung hero. Well played pre, well played. Parang Roger, ganun. Kaya Roger, masakit din. Sa mga rito, John Lordy. Ganda ng laban, maganda yung laban. Oh, maganda yung laban pa. Mahirap nga lang. Isa pa. Di ba? Ya dyan. Hirap talaga ng sun kalaban, pre. Dapat ano yun naman nila yung yung illusion niya. Wag naman yung tipong parang hero na, di ba? Illusion lang kasi napagkakamalan mo napagkakamalan mong totoong hero kasi sobrang kunat. Dapat yung medyo malambot lang ba? Malambutin na lang konti, mga 50%, reduce nila ng 50% yung buhay. What's up pre? Magandang hapon.
Please ban a hero.
Pero hindi pa rin dito. Roger pa rin, Roger. Saspar. Please, Sas. First pick ba tayo? Sige, pwede. Pwede mag first pick. Wala ban mo na. Pwede naman mag gold lane yung Zas ka. Sakit kaya ng gold lane Zas. Please mag farm. Nakaka-item agad. Shopar.
Welcome to the jungle.
Siyan, my idol. Mayong udto kay JM Giritan. JM, what's up, JM? Panalo ba yan kanina? Panalo, pre. Kaso ang hirap ng laban, pre. Hindi madali yung laban. Ganun,
Into
di
the
ba?
abyss.
The abyss gazes back.
Hindi madali ang laban.
Your team is picking. As fleeting as a snowflake's breath. As timeless
rises
as a
when I give the
glacier's
word.
heart.
Enemy is picking.
Sir, what's your command?
Let them play the hero.
And Dragon.
I will be the truth
Dragon
the
and
world
Pani.
desperately needs.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
Little baby, don't say
The
a word.
enemy is
King's
picking.
gonna bring you a cold iceberg.
Si Oye. Oye! Kaya ba si Pani? Kaya naman si Pani, par. Okay lang sa kanyang Pani na kalaban. Ba, nag-aurora. Nag-aurora. Grabe naman yan, pare. Grabe naman yan, pare. Pero maganda yung lineup namin. Maganda yung lineup namin. Let's go, man. Let's go. Palag.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Nakapasok si Uwu.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the
Sasalita ba si Uwu? Hindi nga siya nagsasalita eh.
all troops.
Hindi kasi marinig yung ano niya, sinasabi niya kanina. Grade 5 pa lang yan si Erica, guys. Grade 5. Huwag niyo inaaway yung bata. Jo Marie! What's up, Jo Marie? Welcome. Hindi na nadi-DC. Oo nga, pre. Alam ko na yung gagawin ko. Ginawa ko kanina. Nag-practice game muna ako. Doon sa practice game, naglaro. Nakapaglaro ako ng maayos na first game. Tapos nag-DC-DC. Pero okay naman na so far. Kailangan talagang painitin muna bago tayo maglaro.
Request backup.
Eternal peace comes at the price of fear.
Ano pa yun? Naagaw pa yun.
The war that never really ends.
Initiate retreat.
Every bullet has its blade.
Scatter natin dito. Isang armor pin. Armor. Shit ang ano eh. Hindi tayo mamamatay sa dragon.
Deserves my trust here.
Initiate retreat.
Tagal mo na agad yung dragon. Crash.
First blood. You have slain an enemy.
Eternal peace comes at the price of sheer fear. I always see a starry night sky in my nightmares. They are living evil.
Uli.
Hatred consumes
Wala ko retrip pre ah.
like a black hole.
Patay oh.
Every bullet has its
Enemy.
Wala pang petri pa yan. Gagi kayo na naman, idol. Muntik na ako, pre. Muntik na ako doon, tropa. Patay sana ako doon, maman.
No one deserves my trust here.
An enemy has been slain. Ult not ready.
They
Kuha yata ang red ko ah.
are evils.
Hindi nagka-counter jungle oh.
An enemy has been slain.
Nice one.
Initiate retreat.
Hatred consumes everything like a black hole. The moon rises and sets as the warfare never really ends.
An enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Ult is not ready.
Sakto yung normal attack ko kasi. Hindi siya naka-hide. Sakto yung normal attack ko, no? Hindi siya naka... Ah! Hoy! Hoy! Ah! Pasak! Pasak ka tuloy, tropa. Kala mo, ha? Hindi ka mapapatay, pre. Una ko, eh. Brute force to, eh. Yo, sa Leonard, parang Leonard.
Unstable network. Ult is not ready. Good game.
Eternal peace comes at the price of sheer fear.
Ult is not ready. Request backup. Ult is not ready.
They are living evil.
Okay.
Ally has slain the turtle. Enemy has been slain.
Gagi sakto. Hindi nakapwesto yung bunny, par. Gagi patay ko.
Double kill. Our turret has been back.
Wesley, andyan. Andyan. Agad. Wasak si tropa! Baskog!
My trust here.